Hi, I'm Tara. I run an agro product company based out of Chennai, India. We manufacture and export cold pressed edible oils like groundnut oil, coconut oil, and sesame oil under the brand name Ganya. And ganyaagro.com is our website. And I ventured into this business 4 years back, and I'm a first generation entrepreneur. And when I started 4 years back, I was absolutely clueless. I did not know how to start a company and what all things I should look into when I start a company, like product market fit or pricing strategies, and how to network, and all these things were all Greek and Latin to me. So that is when the project AirSui was launched and the applications were open. Uh, I applied for that, and by God's grace, I got through. And that was a blessing in disguise. That is where I learned everything that I know today till date. And I owe all my success to that one single program. It was spearheaded by Seema Chaturvedi, and there were a lot of other mentors whom she brought on board. And we are these mentors, we are still in touch. Whenever we need them, they are most available for us, and we reach out to them for for any clarity that we need, or for any mentoring that we need. And it was a beautiful program where we learned everything that is related to doing business. And not only that, we were taught how to handle gender bias, and it actually positively impacted us, not only in our professional life but also in our personal life. It gave us so much confidence that we can face the world. So Arsway is, I say this in all the forums wherever I'm invited as a speaker, be it entrepreneur forums, or be it colleges or schools where I'm invited as a speaker. I do not forget to mention about Airspeed, because people need to know that such forums, such platforms are available for them to make use of it, especially women entrepreneurs. I'm an educated person. I've done my engineering and I live in a metro city. And being an educated person, I was clueless when I started my business, where to start and how to go about it. If that is the case with me, being living in a metro city and being an educated person, think about the reach of knowledge for people, for women entrepreneurs living in rural areas. They have absolute passion and they have beautiful products, but they do not have the understanding of how the business world works, or how to bring their product to the market, and how to be successful in their business venture. So such women entrepreneurs in rural areas across India, they need platforms like AirSui. And among all the beautiful things that happen with the program, we travel with the program for 3 years. And it was an absolutely transforming experience for me, especially because I was one among the three women entrepreneurs who were selected to come to US to learn the best practices there. So that is how I established my business contacts in US, and today we are exporting primarily to US, and we are FDA approved. So all these success I owe to AirSui. So among all these good things I can talk about AirSui, one thing that actually I love about the program is all the it has impacted more than 550 women entrepreneurs, majorly from rural areas. So this number is not the it doesn't represent the participants. It not only it doesn't mention the number of registrants or number of participants. It is actually the tangible impact which was tracked and recorded. So more than 550 women entrepreneurs were impacted, and it was tracked. It was a tangible benefit out of the program. So such programs rarely come out for women entrepreneurs. So this program actually gave us the confidence to start the business, to scale up, to look for partnerships, to find co-founders, and all the kind of business mentoring happened over there. The next hurdle as women entrepreneurs we face in India is, I think this exists across the world, but I can speak for India. So, the next hurdle, once we start a business and scale up a little bit, the next hurdle that we face is access to funds. be it entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurs in rural areas or be it in urban areas, it's extremely difficult in India to access funds. There are government programs, there are angel investment agencies available. There are government programs which has mandatory criteria to fund women entrepreneurs. You know, certain percentage of women entrepreneurs are mandatory to be funded, but that doesn't happen here. Access to funds is extremely difficult. So that is where, like AirSWE, which was spearheaded by SEMA, platforms like organizations like orphans are much needed. That's a ground reality here. These platforms, I see often as a platform stemming out of the need they saw in the society. So whenever we are asked what are the hurdles you face in your entrepreneurial journey, the you 90% of the women entrepreneurs would give one response as access to funds, failure to access to funds. So that is the that need is the basis for organization like often coming out, so I see it that way. So that need has to be addressed, and organizations like often is much needed in urban and also in rural areas. The seed fund is the first ray of hope for women entrepreneurs. Somebody trusting them and believing in them and investing in them, the seed fund, which would take them to the next level. So that is much needed, and I'm working on a new idea. And once the idea is ready, once the pitch is ready, orphans will be the first place I would apply and go for funding, my funding needs, because I have absolute confidence that I'll be heard. My product, my idea will be valued, and if viable, I would definitely get access to funds, because the people there, they have traveled with us for more than 3 years, and they understand the need here. They understand the difficulty we are facing here in terms of accessing funds, and that organizations like orphans are very much the need of the hour here for women entrepreneurs in India to make a huge impact in the business world. So I wish Team Orphan all the success, and I truly wish Orphan would become the go-to place for women entrepreneurs in India for both mentoring and their funding needs. So that has to happen. That will be a huge blessing for women entrepreneurs across India. My best wishes for Team Orphan. Thank you.